Hello friends, in this way our course will flows. First of all, introduction to CATIA. In this introduction, we will learn many basic things like how to open CATIA, how to select workspace, and how to save the design, and many more things. Second one is tools and workbenches. We will see and practice each and individual tool, how these tools are going to be work, and we will also see different workbenches, what are the workbenches we have. And the third one is part and drawing. We will practice here different types of parts and different types of drawings. And the fourth one is assembly. In this assembly, we will assemble small parts to make a big component or a big product. And the final one is surface. Surface plays major role in automotive sector. We will discuss this topic in a elaborate manner after completion of assembly.